Beautiful Florida, and we got the flaming Freestyle. So today, since we're already pretty flamed out, we're going to go ahead over here and pull off another one of these. We're gonna pull off Spicy. So Spicy is cut off exhaust and rice up. So what I'm gonna do is I am actually going to cut the exhaust off for one, and then two, I'm gonna put hood louvers in this thing. So we're gonna make like the V that goes up to the top, and I'm gonna put 3 hood louvers in here, put the edges on it, and then raise them up so we got some nice hood louvers on it. I am going to put I might do the fender one and cut right here and then down to there and then push this in so we got some nice side vents going on. I'm gonna put a front lip on it. I actually just remembered that I had some garden fencing stuff that I'm gonna put on as a front lip. Just put some screws in or screw on there. And then what else we're gonna do is we're just gonna like figure out what other little things we could do to it. Over here we got the paint job. The paint job is pretty sick, so I like that. And then we're just gonna have some more fun with it. But I just let all the water out of the tires so that we can fill them back up with air, and hopefully this thing will drive a lot better now because there's not 400 extra pounds in this thing. So let's go ahead and jump into putting on these hood louvers, cutting out the exhaust, and putting on this fence lining. So let's go. Okay guys, so what we got going on here is we got some Scotch tape. With it. As it just rolls away from me. Great. And then we got some brake clean right here. You know, we just gotta polish up our headlights real quick. But no, in all seriousness, we're gonna spray down the hood a little bit, get her nice and prepped for this. Get it in there nice and good. There you go, we're all ready. Hey guys, you know, we're just gonna wing it. So we're gonna put in a nice V here. Start at this corner, come down like that. There we go, there's one. Two. And we're just gonna put a couple lines in here. We're gonna put one right here, just like so. Bam. 3. And then 4. So there you go, guys. That's our hood louvers. We're going to cut this one right here. Cut it down a little bit on the sides. Bend it up. Cut this one on the top up here. Cut this one down a little bit on the sides. Yeah, cut it down on the sides a little bit, bend it up. Cut this one down, bend it up a little bit, and then this one we're just gonna leave alone. So let's go ahead and get the grinder out and start cutting. So guys, when you're grinding, always remember, safety first. We got the grinder down right here. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut across this nice line on all these and see what happens. So guys, there we go. We got the, let's grab this little towel right here. There we go, guys. We got the hood louvers cut. Now all I gotta do is pull them up. And we got some sweet, sweet hood louvers. I think I can, let me not cut myself today. I don't wanna do that. I haven't cut myself today. It's a pretty good deal, pretty good. So let's go ahead and bend these up, see how she looks, pull the tape off her, and go from there, guys. So guys, we got our sweet hood louvers right here. You could still see the paint job. It still looks awesome. And just to add a little bit more of the ridiculousness, I just left the under part of the hood, the bracing underneath it. I might go underneath and cut it eventually one day, but for right now we're just going to leave it. But the second big project that we're going to do today is we're going to cut the exhaust off it, which was the main part of doing this, cut exhaust off. So what we're going to do is I am going to actually cut piece by piece. I'm going to cut the muffler off first. Then we're going to cut the resonator off. And then we're probably just going to end up going straight headers to connecting pipe, to like the Y pipe. And then what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the auto parts store, get myself a flex pipe, and then I am going to put a nice hole right here in the fender and have it come right out of the fender. So we're going to do that, or I might do something else crazy, but we're going to start with that stuff first. So let's go ahead and cut off this muffler. Well, guys, I kind of oopsed. I didn't film me cutting this thing off and just wailing on it and kicking it and my finger on the ground. But the muffler is off. Let's go ahead and jump inside and see how loud it gets. Hey guys, so here we go. Oh, it's still not that loud. Not that loud. That's not loud enough yet. We need this thing to shoot flames, so let's keep cutting. Okay, guys, part 2. Resonator is out. The cat is right there. That's coming next. But first, we got no resonator, no muffler. Let's see how loud it is. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Not bad, not bad. Still's got a little bit of sound, so we're gonna take that cat out. Last thing, guys, this is one of the 3 cats that I guess is on this piece of crap. Fuck this car. If it still doesn't sound better, looks like they're gonna have to run open header, but it's gonna be really loud. So let's go ahead and start her up, see how she sounds. It's not bad, but it could be a lot louder. Hear a lot of popping though. That's pretty cool. So let's go ahead, see what else we take off, and then I don't know. So guys, I started this thing, I'm getting it running. Like, as long as the idle stays above 1,000 RPMs, you could drive this thing around. But as soon as you completely stop, it will not move again. So guys, what I'm gonna do is this thing actually sounds kind of like an RB after it stops breaking up. I don't know why, but it kind of does to me. So I'm gonna give it some throttle for you guys, and you guys tell me if you think it's an RB or not. That's like the 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs. This thing sounds mean up top, but we're gonna keep messing around with this thing and see what we can get, because it's starting to come out good. If I get this idle to stay above 1,000 all the time, we're golden. We can drive this thing all the time. But we're gonna park it, see if I can get this idle to stay up, mess around with it some more, and yeah, we'll be right back, guys. This thing's turning out to be pretty sick. But like I said, as soon as you come to a complete stop like this, and then you try to go, it just like dies right out. So you gotta like throg it a little bit to get it to move again. And sometimes that doesn't even really work, so. But yeah, sounds. So as you saw, this thing sounds absolutely amazing with the exhaust cut off it. What I'm gonna do now is, I think I'm gonna I don't know. I really don't know, guys. There's more ways on how we can rice this thing up, but I think I'm gonna just, I don't really know. I really don't know. But I'm gonna think of some stuff, and then I'll be right back. Roberto says he's got one more thing for this thing, but the last thing that I did was I pimped this ride and I put this sweet body kit on it. I didn't have enough box to do the back, but we'll figure out how to put a splitter on the back. But the front's got a nice lip and thing on it. I don't know. It scrapes the ground a lot. I really wish this thing would actually drive, because I would stunt this thing down Southern and see what the heck people thought of it. But it sounds like an RB. You guys heard that. It's got a sweet body kit on it. It's got this nice paint job thanks to Carlos. Roberto's getting his last thing, and then we're gonna end it. So let's see what he's got.
See?
So guys, I guess Roberto had sparklers and some fireworks. So we also got these. Let me see this.
Jesus Christ, dude. Ow.
I hope these aren't horribly bad and humid from sitting outside forever. Oh my! That was sick.
Here we go. Let's try this one.
Here, I got these ones still lit. Oh, you got it. Hopefully that one does something. Oh no!
Let's hopefully this one actually goes.
It's like you wedged them in there too hard. Here, this still has an amber on it.
All right, guys. So
I'll try it.
just to send her off nice and free in her freestyle ways, we're gonna light this one off, and hopefully it goes into the air.
I did it right. Now that I think about it.
Yeah!
I like that.
You can see the little thingy coming down. There it is. There it is. Oh, and then it's gone. Oh, there it is. So guys.
Looks like this is a good action shot. Good picture.
So guys, that's our flame freestyle. We've got a body kit. It's got hood louvers now. It's got some fireworks coming out the back. So guys, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. More to come on this thing. And I'll see you guys in the next one.